Hey guys, my name is Jonas and welcome back to another video. So I was just out for a little drive, taking pictures of the lake over there with my camera. This is more of an update, kind of like a camera test, just to see how this new camera's going. I bought a GoPro Hero 8 Black, so I don't have to keep using my other camera with the microphone that likes to die halfway through a video. Yeah, so I invested in a new GoPro Hero 8 Black. I bought a whole bunch of stuff for it, so I can make videos like these. Very excited. Still learning how to use it, honestly. Still figuring out what settings to use. It's very nice camera. So this is more of like a video test, a little update with the car, the GTI. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Oh man, I can't wait to start doing stuff to this. If you have one and you're watching the video and you want to give me advice for anything at all, I'd be greatly appreciated. I want to get this is a 7.5, Mark 7.5. I want to get I'm debating getting a TCR muffler for it, like a Euro 7.5 TCR muffler. Like the 7s, you can get a Club Sport S muffler. So I'm debating that, or just saving up a little bit more money and getting a full cat back. I don't know what would be best. Still debating what to do about that. I'm gonna try to post at least once a week, hopefully. I know I missed last week, but it's been crazy. This is a great driving road. I wanted to record on the way down here, but the camera was actually, I thought I had it turned off, but I guess it wasn't turned off, so had to charge it on the way down here, but that's all right. We'll figure it out. I love this transmission. So easy to heel toe in. Very easy to heel toe in. Man, look at those mountains. Isn't that beautiful? This is a nice area. Even in the summertime, it's absolutely amazing. Farmland. Out in the middle of nowhere. No cell service. No nothing. I mean, there is some, but so yeah, this is just a little test, honestly, just to see how this camera does. I wish I had this when I filmed the Nissan overview, because that was pretty pathetic, in my opinion. I'm probably gonna do another one. I would love to do driving videos of other people's cars. I mean, for content that's gonna be coming up. I know a guy who wants some work done to his car. I won't tell you what it is yet, but I'm planning to help him out closer to springtime. You're gonna see stuff of this. You're gonna see stuff with the Nissan, and if you're interested in film photography, I'm also big into that. So that's actually what I was doing right there. So I'm also a full-time college student, so I plan to try to keep something updated, something posted. That would be nice. I'm gonna be doing more film camera stuff in the future. I want to do like a intro to film photography. If people are interested, I may do that. There's just a bunch of stuff I want to do. So I'm gonna shut up, honestly, because I'm just rambling. Whoa, dear. And I'll let you enjoy the sights, and I'll say goodbye when I'm close to my destination. want to start a series, beautiful driving roads in the Adirondacks, because I live in a humongous state park, and some of the roads over here are absolutely insane in the mountains. I mean, they're just to die for. Going up, I live close to where the Winter Olympics were held back in the 80s, and going up towards that way, I mean, you see brand new Supras and Ferraris and Porsches just ripping up that road. It's just absolutely crazy. Very, very nice area to live in if you're a car guy. I've always been into this stuff. Very, very addicted, so to speak. I'll do a little overview of me and who I am, maybe down the road a little bit when I'm more comfortable behind the camera, but I'm just glad I got this, because this is nice for what I want to do. So I'm going to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, even though this is just more of a camera test, please give me a like. I really appreciate it. Helps me out. Gives me willpower to create these videos in my busy schedule. I really appreciate it. So that's all. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon. Thanks, and bye-bye.